Hi, this is Drew with Classic Auto Insurance. We're here at the Goodguys Columbus 2019 show, and right now we're actually standing in one of the buildings. Goodguys is celebrating Summer of '69. An amazing array of Camaros in here, and I'm here with Kenneth with Hot Rod Specialties based out of Indianapolis. And you guys actually did some work on Anthony's car behind us, but kind of tell us about how the shop came to, and maybe what your bigger specialty is, or maybe some. I know you did some repair work on this car and some upgrades. So tell me a little bit more about that.
Actually, me and one of the other guys worked at another shop, and we did the car initially, put the chassis under it.
Okay.
And that shop closed down. When it did, we all kind of started our own thing, same building, bought all the equipment and everything, do everything in-house. I mean, full custom interiors, paint, fabrication. I mean, we still do a few numbers matching, nut bolt restorations, but for the most part, it's getting them, handling better, stopping, just being all like a new car as much as possible.
Right, but they want that look of the muscle car, and I think that's what reverberates with our generations, right? Is they're easier cars to work on, but everyone has a passion for muscle cars, which is awesome.
This car right here is probably one of the most fun cars I've ever driven.
Right.
I mean, it handles nearly like a new Corvette, and has just as much power, and it's a blast.
Is this one of your favorite builds, or do you have something else you guys have done or maybe the wow factor, it was such a challenge, it kind of brought that gratification?
This may be one of the favorites just because, he drives the heck out of it. I've seen this car in pouring down rain, hot, cold, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
And, that's pretty cool, really. A lot of them, a lot of guys, if it's 20% chance of rain, it's staying in the garage.
Right.
And he just gets out and drives this thing.
Yeah, it doesn't matter to him, which is awesome. It's good to see.
Oh, yeah.
Not the insurance person's dream, but that's okay. We need people like him that's doing that.
Yeah, it's a good thing, people driving them.
Yeah.
That's the main thing.
Yeah.
Just having fun.
Hey, man, appreciate what you're doing for the community and appreciate your time. Thank you.
Agreed value, mileage rollover, and tiered mileage plans. Classic Auto, insuring your vehicle, insuring your passion. Call or click Classic Auto today.